traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another video in my best strategy series, where I'm going to show you how to trade with two or more indicators. Yes, and this time I will show you how to trade with the fractal, yes, the fold setting of the fractal, and with the fold setting of the RSI oscillator. Yes, so this is a combination, and based on this combination I will show you some trades. Yes, it works like, and how I can say this, you cannot trade only based on those things which this indicator is telling you in combination with the fractal indicator, the RSI with the fractal indicator. You have to trade those things based on price action too. That's on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So okay, let me see. I will tell you something about the indicators. Yes, the RSI. Yes, if we are here above, we are in overbought area. If we below the 30, we are in oversold area. And in between, we are here on the 50%. We are, I would say, in ranging market. Yes, here we are ranging. And as soon we are above this 50%, we are in uptrend, and if we are below this 50, we are in a downtrend. Yes, so we have here this kind of area, but we are in an uptrend. Yes, so I will not trade this kind of area. Yes, I will wait till we get the next candle, and based on the next candle, I will decide if I'm gonna do a trade or not. So let's see what's happening. Yes, we have here another area. Look at this. Yes, this is good. I will do a put here, and I tell you also why. Because we have here this fractal. We got here this exhaustion candle. We are here in overbought area. Yes, and that are all those reasons which are telling me that price will close below this area here. Yes, because of this fractal is showing me a nice resistance area, and so price will most probably closing below this, and that is the reason. Yes, we are in overbought area, and I'm sure that price will close below this level because of the overbought area and this kind of support and resistance level, which is based on this fractal here. Yes, and this exhaustion candle, obviously, too. You see how all things are working together, and this should be in the money because it should close below this level. And you see it's going down, yes, and it's closing below this, yes, like I have expected. So that was the first trade. Now, yes, we have here another trade, the opportunity. So we have here, look at this. We have here another one, and this is a nice shooting star, and so I will do a put because I'm expecting that this candle will shoot down much more because of we are getting from this overbought area, out of this overbought area. This candlestick is telling me that price will shoot down because that is a shooting star. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put. So let's see. Yes, price is going down. Yes, based on price action, RSI, and the fractal indicator. Yes, all those kind of things together. So you can choose your entry points well by selecting, yes, and waiting for confluence. So we have here another support and resistance level. So we are still in an uptrend, and that's the reason why I will enter into a call, and that is, let me wait till price gets back to this level here. And then I will enter into a call. Yes, yes, okay, yes, nice. I will enter into a call because I'm sure that price will continue to going up because we have here on the oscillator, we are here above the 50% level. We are here at 55%. That means we are still in an uptrend, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call here, expecting that price will continue to going up and not down. Market is doing here some kind of panic, but you see price is reversing from this level, yes, and because this looks like a fake breakout here of this support and resistance level, of this fractal support and resistance level, I'm expecting that price will close above this level. And you see price is closing above it. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.